Is AA's lockout service safe for my car? If you find yourself locked out of your car, you might be wondering if AA's lockout service is a safe choice. Let's break down the details to help you understand how this service works and what it means for your vehicle. When you call AAA for lockout assistance, they send trained roadside technicians to help you. These professionals use specialized tools and techniques designed to unlock vehicles without causing any damage. This is a key advantage of using AAA compared to trying to unlock your car yourself or hiring an unknown locksmith. AA's lockout service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means you can get help whenever you need it, whether it's early in the morning or late at night. If the technician is unable to unlock your car, AAA offers towing services to a repair facility. This can be especially helpful if you need to get your vehicle to a safe location. Depending on your membership level, you may also have the option to hire a locksmith, with possible reimbursement for the cost. From an auto insurance perspective, AA's lockout service can be a great addition to your roadside assistance coverage. Many auto insurance policies include roadside assistance, which often covers lockout services. By using AAA, you are accessing a trusted network of professionals, which can help minimize the risk of damage to your vehicle. This is important because any damage caused by inexperienced attempts to unlock your car could lead to costly repairs and insurance claims. Using AAA can also help maintain your vehicle's condition. When you avoid potential damage from untrained individuals, you reduce the chances of needing repairs that could affect your insurance premiums. Key points to remember about AA's lockout service include the fact that it is designed to protect your vehicle while providing peace of mind. The service is reliable and aligns well with the goals of car insurance, which is to minimize unexpected repair costs. In summary, AA's lockout service is generally safe for your car. With trained technicians, professional tools, and a commitment to customer service, you can feel confident knowing that help is just a phone call away. Whether you are locked out at home, work, or on the road, AAA is there to assist you safely and efficiently.